Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to allow unknown sources on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. First, open the list of all applications, find and open Settings, scroll down a bit, and open Biometrics and Security. Scroll down and here you'll find Install Unknown Apps. Simply click on it. Now you can see particular applications. For example, you can allow installation from Gmail, Google Drive, or others. That's basically how you can allow unknown sources on your Galaxy J7 Prime. It's pretty quick. If you want to do this for other applications, simply allow it from the source and they'll be able to do it. That's all. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up.